Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add a Temu link on your TikTok bio. So first, let's just head over to the Temu app. Now just choose from the products that you want to share on your TikTok bio. Then look for this icon and just click it. Click copy link. Once we're done copying the link from Temu, we can now head over to our TikTok app. Here in our profile page, just look for this icon. Click Settings and Privacy, then click Account. So from here, we have to switch to Business Account so we can add a link to our TikTok bio. Just follow through the steps. We can skip these fields. And now that we're back on our profile page, we can now just click on Edit. And from here, you can see the links section. Now, we can just click it. Just click on website. And from here, just paste the link that we copied from the Temu app earlier and click Save. So as you can see, we have successfully shared the Temu link in our TikTok bio. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can add a Temu link on your TikTok bio. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!